Good morning, guys, and welcome to my class of Crash Course. Today's topic is so much important for not only class 12 student, for further studies students also. Today's topic is a part of a mathematics of calculus. Calculus has two parts. One is differentiation, another is integration. But today's topic we are going to deal with only differentiation. In your screen, you are going to see that 5 formulas are written in the uh, screen that you are going to see. First of all, I want to introduce with you the very important 4 points, the summary of the today's topic. So first is simple, second is log, third is trigonometry, and fourth is two important rules. So simple means like this format you are going to simple formula. Log means the formula with inter or correlated, or it will play a game with log. Okay. Third is trigonometry. Trigonometry that we are learning from junior classes, that sine cos tan for, yes, that only, but formulas will be based on that. Okay. And fourth is two important rule. One will be depend upon product rule, another is quotient rule. Okay, so let's get started. So in your screen you are seeing that 5 formulas are written. Okay, 5 formulas are written. These 5 formulas are such important formula that you are going to get this 5 formula based question in NEET, J, whatever. So first is d by dx. What is d by dx? D by dx means derivatives. Okay, so d by dx of x, in bracket you are seeing x. Always you have to remember that the number or the variable that is inside the bracket, that only you have to solve, not that d by dx only, that has no value, but that is a type of a function that given to you to solve the questions based on that. So that today's function is our derivative, so that is d by dx. So d by dx of x is equal to 1, is equal to 1. Why 1? Because x is single. First of all, x is single. Okay, and x means single variable, so every single variable will have 1. What have 1? Okay, their derivative is 1. Now d by dx x raised to m, x raised to n, you have to always remember this formula, because this formula is such important that this type of questions are mostly coming, mostly, and these are, that is coming only, but this is mostly. Okay, next is this d by dx of root x. So always you have to remember that root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x. Okay, next if we move further to our fourth point, then d by dx of k. Now one thing you should know that k means, here k is not any variable or nothing. Here k stands for a constant. Always remember a constant derivation is 0. Okay, next 5. Fifth number question, that d by dx of x cube. So x cube derivative is 3x square. Okay, so next we will move to log. Next we'll move to log. Okay, so log means, like, listen here, very important one formula. So see, in this four thing, first is over. Okay, first is over, so we have put it a tick mark. So let's move further. If we move further, see here, first formula that you are going to get is d by dx. D by dx of what? E of x. Guys, this is such an important formula. Okay, very much important formula of log is log e, is log e, but the last result we are going to get, that is e x. Understood? Now next log is d by dx of log x. D by dx of log x. Okay, what is the derivative of d by dx? D by dx derivative is 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, next. So by this our log is finished. So we will put again a tick mark in log. Okay, next move to trigonometric function. So trigonometric function, like see, d by dx of sin x. Sin x is minus naught, but only cos x. Only cos x. Got it? Next, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Now okay, if here is sin, then here cos x. If here is cos, then minus sin x. Clear? Next is sec x. Sec x, here sec x has combination of sec x with tan x. Sec x with tan x also. Okay, next we have d by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x is sec square x. Okay, sec square x. Next is d by dx of cot x. D by dx of cot x. So d by dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. Minus cosec square x. Okay. If here is cosec square. Okay. If here is cosec x, then what is the d by dx of cosec x? D by dx of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Okay, x cot x. Now understood? Yeah. Next is, so by this we have finished the trigonometric also, but left one topic, that is one important rule. Sorry, two important rules. So we put a tick mark in trigonometry. Next, come to last but not the least, that is one is d by uv. D by dx of uv. So what is the formula? Formula is u dx by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, this is the formula, and this formula is known as what? Known as product rule. Okay, understand? Next we are going to move to the quotient rule. Quotient rule means v du by dx. Okay, v du by dx minus u dv by dx, now whole divided by v square. Understood this? Okay, so this formula is known as quotient rule. So guys, I hope you like this video. So thank you guys to watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe.